Hello children, I'm back again. Today you're going to learn some drawing, okay? And parents, today you can learn how to teach simple drawings to your children. We often neglect the importance of drawing and allow children only to color. Whereas drawing helps any child not only to improve his pencil grip and attention level, but also his creativity and imagination skills. The various curves and strokes involved in drawing will help the child in his cursive writing skills. But every child will get bored of drawing the same old orange, apple and sun, right? But his skills would have not yet been developed to draw much more independently. So what do we do in this context? We need to take a printout of pictures like this, whatever your child likes, or you can even draw simple drawings like this on a A4 size sheet and put it in a transparent folder. See, these folders you get in any stationery shops. You can put it in a transparent folder, and on this you can ask your child to take a marker and then trace on the outlines. He just has to look at the outline and trace on it neatly as much as possible. You see, the different kind of strokes involved in drawing will help the child in his writing skills, and also the child's attention level will definitely increase because of the minute details that is involved in drawing. You can draw simple pictures, whatever your child like. I have even taken some favorite cartoons of children which they would enjoy drawing. See, you can see Peppa Pig here. Shall we draw Peppa Pig now? Like this. You don't need to help the child at all. You don't have to hold his hand. All you need to do is take a printout or draw these pictures, put it in a transparent folder, give a marker. And once the child has drawn drawing like this, all you need to do is remove the printout from the folder. And see, the child will be excited to see his own drawings. Now all you have to do is, once he is done, wipe it with a tissue or a sponge, and then the child can reuse the printout again and again, putting it back in the folder. See, now it is ready to be used again. Okay children, I hope you'll try this at home and let me know if you like this activity. Okay, bye bye.